Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So to do this you will need this kind of tool which will help you to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. So firstly you have to slightly remove the cover and then take this tool and put it inside the hole on the slot. Slightly push it and the slot will pop out. So here we have on this side we have like SIM 1 and on the other side we have SIM 2. So let's insert SIM 1 just like this and then put it back into our device. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.